We have number of rules for subject verb agreement, subject verb concord. The basic rules, fatafat quick revision. Jab, subject and verbs must agree in number. Okay, that is the basic thing. So if the subject is singular, the verb must be singular too. If the subject is plural, the verb must also be plural. That is a common rule. Then mute yourself. Who is this fellow?
Sorry, ma'am.
When the subject of the sentence is composed of two or more nouns or pronouns connected by and use a plural verb. Okay. When there is one subject and more than one verb, the verb throughout the sentence must agree with the subject. Then we have when a phrase comes between the subject and the verb, you have to remember that the verb still agrees with the subject, not the noun or pronoun in the phrase following the subject of the sentence, like the student as well as the committee members. So the phrase, the verb has to agree with the subject. Then when two or more singular nouns or pronouns are connected by or nor, use as a they use singular verb. Then when a compound subject contains both singular and plural noun or pronoun combined by or ya nor, the verb should agree with the part of the subject that is closest to the verb. Okay, the part of the subject that is closest to the verb, like the student or the committee members write every day. Then we have the words and phrases like each one, either, neither, everyone, everybody, anyone, anybody, somebody, nobody, no one, someone are singular and always takes a singular verb. Okay, non-countable nouns take a singular verb. Some countable nouns in English, they take plural verb. If a sentence begins with there is or there are, the subject follows the verb. Okay, collective nouns are words. So if they are implying for one person, they are considered singular. But if they are complying for a group, then depends that plural verb is used in the focus, in non-individual, in the group. Okay, so these are the basic rules. But although you know everything, practice makes a man perfect. So today we will be doing the MCQ because 2 or 3 marks. And I don't know if in month of November, if board is planning for a complete MCQ, then maybe for 5 marks or 6 marks or 10 marks, they will be giving you the entire grammar portion. So maybe 20 marks grammar will be there, 30 marks grammar will be there. There definitely 2 to 3 or 5 marks question will come from this subject verb concord. Okay, so just go through. First of all, solve if you will have any confusion. Then when we will meet for offline classes on Monday, thereafter I will explain you everything in detail. So let's start the work. Screen visible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Completed?
50, ma'am.
Yes. How many times you will ask the same question, Sudhanshu? Why you are so restless? कितना है मैम, कितना क्वेश्चन है? Always you got to come to school. और यहाँ पे rest of the children, you have completed the work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see. Let us discuss the question, answers. Okay. The teacher, tell me the answer.
Has, ma'am. Has.
Yes.
Has.
So
Has.
speak properly, Sudhanshu. Has, not has. Has nahi. The teacher has completed this chapter. Ram and Shyam,
R.
Ma'am,
Are.
C.
yes, C,
Are.
are business partners. C, she
Reach.
Teachers.
reaches
Ma'am,
her
reaches.
office by 9 a.m. daily. Rahul and his friends.
Where?
Where कौन बोल रहा है?
Were.
It
Were,
is
ma'am.
WHERE.
Were.
You
Were.
people are so भूल गए 1.5 साल में. Were also invited to the party. Neither you nor your sister should
Ma'am, A. Ma'am, talk.
Talk. Talk.
talk to them. Yes, very good. 20 years
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, B.
Is.
Ma'am.
is yes
Is.
is the minimum age to fulfill this form. Yes, collectively that is
Ma'am,
you.
D.
A bouquet
D.
of flowers.
Is.
Yes.
D, ma'am.
Is required.
Is.
A pair of socks.
Ma'am, have. Has been.
Has.
B.
Pair of socks.
B,
For
B,
one,
ma'am.
referring for one. Okay, pair of socks has been missing from my wardrobe. Much,
C.
Has.
Ma'am,
Has.
C.
yes,
Has.
much has been said in the news reports. The information provided to you,
Was.
Was.
okay, very
Was.
good, was wrong. The company,
Thinks. C.
yes,
C, ma'am.
yes, the company thinks of its stakeholders. Either of the two dress shall,
Look.
B.
yes,
B, B,
yes.
ma'am.
Either of the two dresses shall look. Each and every member
A.
has
Has.
to vote. Yes. A large number of soldiers,
D.
Ma'am. Ma'am, have.
yes,
D.
have died. Half of the glass
Was.
E.
was empty. Physics,
Is.
yeah,
Difficult to
is
understand.
difficult to understand. The quality of food here
Who
B.
has.
has
B,
gone
ma'am.
down. My mother, along with others,
B.
Was.
Was.
was
Was
worried.
worried.
She,
Need A.
Ma'am, need.
she needs,
Not all or not of
she
stress.
needs not take a lot of stress. Very good. B. None of the candidates
Have.
B.
Have.
has, none of the candidates has responded. None, no one. He, okay, he
Enjoys. C.
Enjoys. Ma'am, enjoys.
C होगा मैम.
okay. Let me scroll. The book management principles
Is.
B.
is,
Ma'am,
B होगा मैम.
yes, $2,
is.
yes, because it
C.
is referring for one amount. A lot of startups,
Have.
yes,
Have.
Have. C.
politics
Has.
has been
D.
one of the debatable topics.
D
Neither
होगा
Rishi
मैम.
nor Ria
Was.
Was helpful. A series of seminars.
We
Were.
were.
So you are in a habit of speaking where? No. All means of communication
Have.
have shut down. My glasses,
Are.
yes, glasses always takes plural noun. My glasses are nowhere to be found. That women sells vegetables.
See.
It
Is.
See.
yes,
Is.
it is these papers. इज सुधांशु क्या बोलते हैं इज अजीब बच्चा है भाई इज स्पीक नाइसली is why you are giving stress j nahi hai wo z it is these papers that I have been looking for work on your pronunciation also the United States of America
We is ma'am.
Is.
Sudhanshu once again you
Is.
speak is no is ij nahi is z
Is.
South Africa
D होगा मैम. Were. Were.
why tell me reason
मैम
दो
A होगा.
A होगा South Africa team South Africa was all out before we knew it
मैम क्योंकि
India
team
is all out yes वो कैसे होगा सुधांशु tell me कहीं से आंसर देख लिया है and then he is telling us बिना रीजन के do you have any reason smart mat bano I can see that you don't know the reason only you have taken out answers mil gaye hain there
were.
Ma'am, were.
there was plenty of space for guests at the venue was either you or I should
Ma'am, either
Take
you.
B.
take the lead yes take the lead the jury
Has.
Has been.
has
Has
been
been.
unable to decide yet yes a lot of students
C.
Fail.
yes fail to clear the
Fail to
exam
clear this.
my application
Has.
Where? Has. Ma'am,
applications have not been approved
Have.
yes
Have
have
been.
the crowd
Ma'am, was.
was yes
Was.
collective the ruler and the minister
Have
Have been.
have been the government will
Pass.
Pass.
yes see pass the order soon the poor
Have. The
Has.
poor have. Have.
yes suffered the teacher and the students
Ma'am, have.
have arrived yes the event
Ma'am, event begins.
yes the event begins earlier than it is scheduled many people
Ma'am, many people
Have.
have been.
yes have registered 2/3 of the
Okay.
pantry
Is full.
Ma'am, is full.
yes is full the timing
Where
Was
inappropriate.
inappropriate.
the timing कौन बोला where the timing was inappropriate
Ma'am, मैंने.
हरे राम मैम.
the
Sorry, ma'am.
package okay we are going to meet soon